All right, importing contacts. Let's just click New Leads to go into your dashboard of eEdge. You can do this in multiple ways. This can be kind of a tough step, so you may want to reach out to somebody in your technology department to do this. But under contacts is import and export. So if you're utilizing Outlook, Top Producer, you can just export your contacts from there and choose these options here. But most of you don't have it that way, and you want to just import a list of contacts that you have in Excel already. So choose that basic contact list, do download basic contact list template, and it's going to download this file. So here is how the information has to come into the system. Unfortunately, it has to be this way. So you got first name, you don't change any of the columns, but you put in their first name, their last name, and email address. Now, to import correctly, you have to have one of these two, email address or a physical address. Otherwise, it will not import. If you have any other information that you want, this is obviously the crucial information. Cell phone, work phone, all of that information is on here. Birthday is on here as well. So you can put in as much as you want. And then the other thing is you have to make sure that you're not missing that information in one of those first 5 contacts, because if it's missing it there, it'll reject the file. So let's say you put them all in here. So I'll just do some real quick here. Oops, first name. And I'm just going to cheat. So Mergen, I got an idea here, Calvin Mergen1 at pw.com. And hopefully it will allow me to drag that down. And I'm just going to do 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's just say that's just my basic one. That's all I have. I want to put those 5 people in. And then I'll just save the file. You can save it to your desktop. I just have it saved in my downloads folder. And then you can import here. So you're going to basically choose the file. And I'll go to my downloads folder. Grab that file. I agree. I can put them in as anything. I'm just going to put them in as cold and buyer seller. And I can put them into my top group, which is my A's, my B's, and C's. And then I click import. And it will go through the process of importing, and it says waiting to run, and it may take 5 to 10 minutes to do that. So that is all you have to do to import. It's just getting that file and then putting it into the proper channels. You can also export your contacts. So if you click export, you can export a group. You can export all, and then just choose export, and then it's going to export it out into the same manner, basically a file that looks like this. And then you can do what you want with it from there. But that is all you have to do.